back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine and at home. Well, this time I thought of making a vlog. It would be a very casual vlog. I'll be talking about myself, my life, and while I get ready for my another video because I have to shoot one more video today. By the way, I'm thinking of shooting the review of Milani 2-in-1 concealer and foundation. Although I have made a video on that earlier too when I bought that, but I feel that that video isn't like sufficient. I think I need to tell you guys more about that foundation, so that's why I am making one more video on that. Basically that's a trial video and this would be the review of that video. So without wasting any more time, let's just start the vlog. So first of all, I need to adjust this ring light. I need to change the place of that because I'll be shooting here. So I need to bring the ring light a little forward because last time मैंने shoot करके वहाँ रखी थी वो वही की वही पड़ी है. So that's the first thing that I need to do. Come on, let's just do that. And we are all set. I think we need a little bit of more light. We are set. And my specs needs to go away. And by the way, I'm wearing this new top. This is not new actually. था तो पुराना, but it was in my wardrobe. मैंने आज तक पहना नहीं था ये तो. But when I was shooting the last video, I found this top and a few other things in my wardrobe जो मैंने अपने रूम में बहुत मतलब एकदम रूम में रख लिया. उन्हें अलमीरा में भी नहीं रखा, बस बाहर रखा हुआ है कि जब भी मुझे वीडियो बनाना हो I can wear them. मुझे याद रहे कि मेरे पास ये कपड़े भी है. So in the next few videos you will be seeing me wearing different clothes for a change. मैंगो वाली टी शर्ट नहीं पहनूंगी जो मेरी extremely favorite है. That's just so comfortable guys and that's the reason why I'm always wearing that t-shirt. मतलब मैं रात को धोने में देती हूँ, अगले दिन सुबह वो सूख जाती है तो मैं उसे फिर से पहन लेती हूँ. मेरे को इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद है वो टी शर्ट एंड आई थिंक हम सबका ऐसे कुछ फेवरेट होता है. मेरी वो मैंगो टी शर्ट एंड मेरी वाइट शॉर्ट्स फेवरेट है. मे बी you would be having a favorite pair of clothes too. Well, if you have to, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, बहुत blabbering हो गई. Now let us just start जो हम करने आए हैं, which is a get ready with me session. And the first step is to apply a moisturizer, जो you know because I do that in my every video. In fact, इससे भी पहले I sprayed some toner on my face from my bottle, but वो मैंने shoot नहीं करा. And now it's time for primer. Well, this is the primer that I'm gonna use. Well, this is my extremely favorite primer because मेरे पास और दो है. They actually don't suit my skin because mine is oily skin and this gives a matte finish, so that's why this is my favorite. Although मेरे को लगा ये ख़त्म है and that's why I ordered the Modi Care one, which is a dewy primer and it is suitable for dry skin people. I don't know if oily skin people use that or not, but I really didn't like it, so that's why I don't use it. And then the other one which I have is from Bosch. It's anti-wrinkle, so that's why I don't use it much, बहुत कम. So this is the primer. This has a creamy texture, but yet it suits my skin so much. The Modi Care one is gel based, and that gives so much oily look on your face. Oily नहीं, dewy होती है, but it doesn't really suits my skin. I was searching on the internet ऐसे ही and I found out that there are also color tinted primers available in the market. Like it would do both the things for you. By both the things I mean, it would also color correct your skin and do the work of the primer, which I found quite interesting and I'm thinking of ordering one because ये जो ऑरेंज करेक्टर इस पैले में है मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा. आई थिंक इसको बहुत सारा लगाना पड़ता है, पर ये पैलेट बहुत अच्छी है, इसकी कवरेज इज़ क्वाइट गुड, बट इट इज़ इन क्रीम फॉर्म और लगाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है क्रीम फॉर्म, एंड देन उससे स्किन में ऑयल भी बहुत ज़्यादा आता है. I think liquid concealers and color correctors are the best, and that's why I'm thinking of ordering a primer and color corrector 2-in-1. Well, there are lots of available in the market. अभी मुझे भी रिसर्च करनी है कि कौन सा यूज़ करना चाहिए. Well, this is the palette और ये मैंने खोली इसलिए क्योंकि मुझे यही लगानी है. But yeah, the price in which they are offering this palette is very great. So I think अब हमें ये लगाना चाहिए. So color corrector मैं नहीं लगा रही हूँ. ये है कलर करेक्टर, आई एम नॉट यूजिंग दिस. मैं सीधा कंसीलर लगाऊंगी विद शेड दिस वन एंड दिस वन. आई जनरली मिक्स दिस एंड दिस वन. आई जस्ट अप्लाई कंसीलर. Well, honestly, I'm using concealer for the first time. मतलब अभी नहीं, but this is my first concealer palette. इससे पहले I haven't used any concealer, so this is my first experience with concealer. And I think कि जो liquid concealers वैसे मिलते हैं वो ज़्यादा better है, because see, इस palette में the things that I'm only using are this, this and this. ये सारी जो बाकी की शेड्स है बची हुई आर कम्प्लीटली यूजलेस बिकॉज मेरी स्किन टोन से मैच नहीं करते, एंड मेरे घर में और किसी की भी स्किन टोन से मैच नहीं करते. मेरे घर में मेरे अलावा मेरी मम्मी है, उनकी भी स्किन टोन से ये मैच नहीं करता, उनके भी सेम शेड्स मैच करते हैं. सो इट्स कम्प्लीटली यूजलेस टू बाय अ कंसीलर पैलेट अनलेस यू आर एन मेकअप आर्टिस्ट. It's a very big mistake that I made. Instead, I should have bought 2 liquid concealers of different shade, one of my skin tone and one lighter than my skin tone in the same money. Now I take the shade. And I'm done. Well, if I had to not shoot a video next, तो मैं foundation नहीं लगाती. But since I need to shoot a video and that too I need to review this foundation, so I need to apply this foundation. Otherwise, I would have skipped the step because concealer is enough for me right now. Generally in my videos also I do the same thing. या तो मैं foundation लगाऊंगी या मैं concealer लगाऊंगी, because while applying concealer I also cover my cheeks little bit यहाँ पे and यहाँ पे भी, and then hair because यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी pigmentation है, बहुत थोड़ी है but है, so that's why I apply यहाँ पे भी. So then I skip the foundation, but today I need to review this, so that's why I'm applying this. So here's a hack. I mean, you guys might have seen कि मैंने यहाँ पे इतना सारा फाउंडेशन क्यों लगाया. Well, I saw Sejal Kumar doing the same thing in one of her recent videos. That's why I did this, and there's a reason she gave for it, which I don't know whether it would actually work or not, but let us just try out. First, let me just blend my foundation on my neck. Okay, so what she did was like she focused her foundation more over here, like she blended it a lot over here to give that lifted face wala look, like right here next to her eyes she blended it so much over here. Like, is it making any difference? Is it giving a lifted face wala look? Yeah, it surely is giving, because that point is highlighting, so it looks like your face is lifted. You can see the difference towards this side and this side. It's normal ऐसे, and this side is a little lifted. I don't know, it's just only me who can see this difference, or even you guys can. Well, do let me know whether you guys can see any difference about that or not. Yeah, we are done with the base. Now we need to set it using our banana juice powder. oily skin people, setting powder is such a savior, guys. Any setting powder or banana leaf powder would do that. And I think कि अब ज़्यादा कुछ चाहिए नहीं मेरे फेस पे. I think I'll go with the lipstick. And yeah, see, ये ना these pencils I recently discovered in my mom's bag. Basically क्या है? This is eye pencil to fill in your eyes. आगे आई पेंसिल, आगे आई शैडो है एंड पीछे लाइनर है. लाइनर, काजल, whatever you wanna call it. एंड दिस इज़ द सेम पेंसिल. ये ब्राउन कलर में है आईज के लिए एंड पीछे लाइनर है, जो मुझे अपने मम्मी के बैग में मिला. एक्चुअली बहुत पुराना है, बट आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ यूजिंग दैट एंड सी कि क्या होता है. सो ब्लू, लेट्स जस्ट सी क्या होता है. Oh, I'm even wearing blue today. Wow. And I must say that this pencil is amazing. And now I'll apply the brown pencil. Well, basically I'm trying to create a blue smoky eye, but I'm not gonna blend it that much. I think it is looking great. And अब मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करूँगी. I would just apply a lipstick. Should I apply a blush or I should leave it like this? Because I'm very confused. I don't know which lipstick to apply. Well, this lip balm is giving my cheeks a tint, red tint wala look, which is looking very beautiful as it is. So we are done with the makeup. I think so. This is enough. This is what I have done today. It's very basic. मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करा except my eyes. मैंने वहाँ पे फिर भी बहुत कुछ लगाया, but और कहीं मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करा. So that's it for this video. Well, if you guys enjoyed watching it, then give a thumbs up to this video and share this with your friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram page. Well, this is my ID and I've also given a link in the description box below to my Instagram. So that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.